Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the concept of the product life cycle. By the end of this video, you'll understand the stages a product goes through from introduction to decline and how to manage each stage effectively. Let's get started. The product life cycle describes the stages a product goes through from its launch to its withdrawal from the market. It consists of four main stages: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. First, let's discuss the introduction stage. This is when a new product is launched. Sales grow slowly and marketing costs are high as you build awareness and gain customer acceptance. Example: when electric cars were first introduced, companies invested heavily in marketing to educate consumers and build awareness about the new technology. Next is the growth stage. Here, the product gains market acceptance, sales increase rapidly, and profitability improves. Marketing focuses on differentiating the product and expanding the customer base. Example: smartphones experienced rapid growth as they gained popularity, with companies emphasizing features and benefits to attract more customers. The third stage is maturity. At this point, sales peak and growth slows down. The market becomes saturated and competition intensifies. Companies focus on maintaining market share through product improvements and promotions. Example: the soda industry is in the maturity stage, with major brands competing through advertising and introducing new flavors and packaging to stay relevant. Finally, we have the decline stage. Sales begin to fall due to market saturation, changing consumer preferences, or technological advancements. Companies may reduce marketing efforts and phase out the product. Example: DVD players are in the decline stage as streaming services have become the preferred method for watching movies and TV shows. Remember, each stage of the PLC requires different strategies. In the introduction stage, focus on building awareness. In growth, invest in marketing and distribution. In maturity, enhance the product and maintain customer loyalty. In decline, consider cost-cutting or product discontinuation. To illustrate, consider a popular tech gadget like a fitness tracker. Initially introduced with heavy marketing, it gained popularity with increasing sales, reached its peak with numerous competitors, and eventually saw decreased demand as newer technologies emerged. That's the product life cycle. Understanding its stages helps you manage your product's journey in the market effectively. Use these insights to optimize your strategies throughout the product's lifespan. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified the product life cycle for you. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Stay proactive and strategic.